YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a flowchart in Figma, build diagram with the shapes and the connectors. So guys, if you want to use the Figma, so guys Figma flowchart, so guys it is very easy. That we have the two methods that you can directly search the Figma flowcharts, flow diagrams, and you just click the option of flowchart maker. But if you want to get some more templates, some more fancy templates, and you go for this, simply go to the Figma homepage. After that guys, here you simply go for the option of community. In the community, see it in action. Okay, now guys, here you see there is a one search icon in the community option page. So you just close all of them. So you just go for flowcharts. Okay, so you simply search flow, and here you go for the flowchart. Now hit enter. Now here you see that you get the lot of flowcharts here. Like here you can check. Okay, and if you want to use any of the flowchart and you get some idea of the flowchart, so you just click on it and start editing. Open in the Figma. So here you see around 2.6k users, and you can use this flowchart. Okay, here you see it is, I think this open the website homepage, continue, show Pokemon by region, Pokemon API. So this is related to the Pokemon. And if you want to create your own page, so guys, here you see there is the boxes and there is a circle, and here is the connectors. Here you also check for the nodes and mind map, cylindrical shape, rectangle, line shape. So you just choose any of them and you start using and connecting all of them like this. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do to create your own flowcharts in the Figma. So guys, thank you, and if you want to share, you just click here and start sharing. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.